I'm called Marjorie Negesa, the school principal of Star School, and we're at Masaka in Rwanda at the Star School campus. Star School was begun by Bishop Nathan Rusengo, and his sole motive was to help children who come from families that are not economically sound and have financial problems. We are partnering with Playing for Change so that we can add more beauty to the school and so that children can love the school better through music and sports.
Grace, grace, God's grace, grace that is greater than all my sins. Grace, grace, God's grace, grace that is greater than all my sins. One of my dreams, I want to see my country in 10 years to come or 20 years to come, still speaking the same language, Kinyarwanda, dancing the same dance Kinyarwanda dances, singing the same song styles of Kinyarwanda culture. If we keep on teaching others, it will make us keep on remembering it. When we produce our kids, we will teach them. It's like transmitting the nationality.
Bonjour à tout le monde, je m'appelle Kouja Samuel, je suis professeur de danse à Star School. Alors maintenant, je suis très content. J'ai aussi fait beaucoup de voyages pour faire la compétition de danse. J'ai fait les danses traditionnelles, j'ai fait les tambours et aussi j'aime beaucoup pour enseigner les enfants.
This program will help us in different ways. I believe the sports can help the students in their studies to increase their cooperation, to have the good behavior. They behave well because of that.